The crypto market, XRP and cryptos, altcoins have crashed today. Why did the market crash today? The stock market also crashed today. What is going on in this video? We are going to be talking about it and much more. So make sure if you love XRP and cryptos, you give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. So me and my community, we decided to short and sell this morning before this crash. And as you can see here on my Twitter, I posted this morning all the coins that we sold this morning right before the stock market opened. And guess what? Right around that time, everything started dumping very aggressively. Why did this happen? Well, if you take a look at Bitcoin, we go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see Bitcoin since the beginning of October has pumped up 15% without any pullback. You have Ethereum also pumped up 24%. That's actually crazy. 24% without any pullback. XRP ended up pumping 15%, just like Bitcoin. We had Solana pump 24%. Dogecoin pumped how much? 22%. So the crypto market has pumped up a lot recently. And that's why we're going down. Tomorrow is going to be FOMC minutes. We are approaching, towards the middle of the month now. And if the market pumps up, usually in the beginning, quite aggressively, we've been pumping up for about 2 weeks now without a pullback. It's normal to see a pullback. Our price targets are still going to happen, in my opinion. And it looks like XRP has again rejected resistance. This is now for the third time. And again, if you guys want to follow the signals where I tell you when I'm buying and selling cryptos, join my community right now to get all of the action, especially the VIP tier and my new course that I just put out. You guys can try some of those groups for free right now. But XRP has rejected here. We've rejected here. We continually are rejecting, and ultimately we are just compressing. We are consolidating. We are not trending up. We are not trending down. Well, Bitcoin is. Bitcoin, every single time Bitcoin breaks an all-time high, we always get some type of rejection. It continues to happen over and over. But I do, and I'm very confident what I think is going to ultimately happen. I think Bitcoin is going to pull back to this region here around 117, 116, maybe a little bit lower. I think it's going to bottom, and then I think we're going to start pumping up again more aggressively. That's what I think is going to happen. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen. And so in the next week or so, we should bottom, and we're probably going to start pumping up again because the Fed is going to be cutting rates at the end of this month. Everything is looking perfectly bullish for quarter four, the fourth quarter, whatever you want to call it, and it's still looking good. So what we are experiencing now, it's not a major deal. XRP has pulled back already 8%. That is pretty significant. But if you were in my community, we bought at the top, bought at the bottom, sold at the top, near the top for some nice profits. So the market is pulling back. There is profit taking. That's ultimately what is taking place right now. The markets are still chopping around. Like you can see XRP is still compressing. XRP is always the last coin to trend very hard, the last coin to pump. Ethereum has been pumping, Solana's been pumping, XRP hasn't been pumping, but XRP in the fourth quarter always will pump in my opinion. I don't think the top is in. I don't think we're anywhere near the top. We are getting close to the top, but we're not there yet, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin is going to go to at least 150,000. That's what I personally think. But if that is not the case, we will be monitoring the charts very, very carefully. And if that does become the case, and a probability, I will let you guys know, so don't worry, and make sure you are subscribed with notifications on and you give this video a thumbs up. So we're going to continue to monitor the charts. Do not be surprised if this week we continue to dump all the way until Friday, and Friday we start to bottom and then bounce up in the weekend. That's probably what's going to end up happening. So I'm personally going to wait for Bitcoin to fulfill this little plan that I have of mine. It's going to pull back to this region, and I'm looking to rebuy XRP and Bitcoin. I'm a professional trader, so that's what I'm doing. I'm not a long-term holder like some of you, and there's nothing wrong with that. I personally still think, despite me selling and taking profits, I still think XRP is going to reach our price target of $5 and even potentially higher. But my price target is $5 to $7. And I'm confident that this is probably going to happen by November, at some point by the end of November and by Christmas for sure. December is usually a bearish month, so I think that this $5 is going to be reached by before Christmas. Let me know if you guys think that's going to take place. Are we going to go higher? At what time frame do you think XRP is going to reach these levels? And make sure you guys are also trading with my AlgoSniper trading indicator. This thing will tell you when to get in and out of positions, and you guys can try it today for free by clicking the link below. Now make sure you guys are trading over on Blofin. This is the platform where you want to be longing and shorting, buying and selling cryptos. You're going to have the cheapest fees. Look, today I made $20,000 by shorting the market when I told my group to short the market. This platform is incredible. You get up to a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link below. But hey, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.